Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Roberto Mariano. Nasa na po si Ninang Roberto Duman. Ninang! Ayan na! Wala ba kayo mga kamay? Palakpakan naman po natin ang mga nagbabakuha. Hebrew this afternoon. Here we go! Papasukin na natin ang mga nagpupukira. Team Girl! Headed by the best man, Noel. We have Mark and Ferdinand. Ayan, dito po tayo. Hindi pa po tayo aalis. Dito muna tayo in front. Tatatlo na lang tayo, nagmamadali pa tayo. Okay, palakpakan mo natin once again, Noel, Mark, and Ferdinand. Here in the middle po. At the center, dito tayo sa gitna. Okay, who is Noel? Where is Noel? Ayan, dito po. Sa gitna si Noel, on the other side, syempre yung mga iba pang groomsmen. Okay, wag na po tayong mahiya, konti lang tayo. Okay, so, okay, Noel, I do have a very important question once again. Magaling bang sumayaw si Ian? Nag-isip ang best man. Okay, magaling bang sumayaw si Ian?
Magaling siya kumanta.
Magaling siyang kumanda! Very good. Kailangan magaling pa din. Okay, because for sure, hindi siya ganun kagaling sumayaw. As for the best man, kayo ang nag-represent for Ian today. I need you to dance for us this afternoon. Headed by our beautiful Bianca. We also have Trixie and Ianto. There we go, ayan. So, palakpakan po natin, where is Bianca? Trixie. Continue dancing, Ian, and lovely. Enjoy this very special moment.
Ay, 23 years old ako na nagkakilala kami ni Ian. I'm 29 now and we're still together. Hindi siya nagsawa sa akin. And good thing hindi din ako nagsawa sa kanya, of course. So, 6 years. So, I was like, babe, I married you. So, 6 years together and now we're here, baby. Thank you for your endless patience, for waiting, and for knowing the right time to propose. I often think if your friends knew anong pinagagawa ko sa'yo, they would probably advise you na iwan na lang ako. But you stayed and you choose to persevere, and for that, I'm forever grateful. We're very supportive sa lahat ng gusto kong gawin. Nung napahilig ako mag-bake, nagpapadala ka ng mga baking pans sa bahay, nagpapadala ka ng ingredients. Nung sinabi kong gusto kong mag-try mag-workout, nagpapakabili ka ng mga workout tools, tapos pinapadala mo sa bahay. Nung napahilig pang trip ko maging feeling barista, you supported me in everything. And thank you for stepping back and always letting me shine, for always being there when I need someone to lean on. I vow to take care of your health kasi pasaway ka, to cook you healthier meals, and to make sure you always come home to a happy and loving home. I vow to support you in everything you do and to stand by your side.
Palakpakan natin si Ian. At ang excited na wife na si Lovely. Okay, are you ready to meet your handsome husband, Ian? Here we go, Lovely. Palakpakan naman natin.
Bago set.